Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are live for the last 10 minutes. Well, 10 minutes of Nasdaq closing. As you can see, we had a tremendous push this morning where the Nasdaq pushed higher and almost went straight 400 points, minus the small pullbacks. It was really heavy push. And if we look, right now, whether we should enter a trade or not, let me show you on the chart. And here is our chart. You can see that right now the market came down, but it's really pushing back up. So you could actually, if we go on a 3-minute chart, we could enter a trade here. You wouldn't be wrong to enter it at this point, and maybe we'll target the we'll target maybe a 50 points trade, and possibly a similar stop, like maybe a 40 point stop. I would look at that as a stop. And as you can see, it's already pushing up. The market is going up, and I'm basing it on the fact that we are on the indicator on our on our simple market metrics indicators also showing bullish. We've got the green background. We are actually above. Let me just see. Yeah, the profit wave is bullish. Let me pull the profit wave up. I think it's not showing it. Profit wave. Got to enable it. I've got to enable it. Enable. No, not the chop filter. Enable profit wave. Yeah, I think we are above the profit wave. As you can see, this is the profit wave, and we are pushing higher. Now on the profile, volume profile, we are right at the POC area, and we are looking to go to the value area high or near there somewhere. So whether we get up there or not is another question. It's likely we can get there, but like I said, I'm happy if we can hit 50 points, and then we can take it from there. We'll decide how high it can go. We'll decide once it starts to shift. We got a 1.24 and maybe possibly a 1 to half trade here, 1 to 1.5. We have about 7 minutes to market close. We are above the profit wave. Those are the built-in moving averages in the indicator, simple market metrics indicator. The link is in the website if you want to purchase it. It's in there. Now they're doing an indicator for Ninja Trader, which is a little bit more advanced and that a little bit more dynamic. And then we have the indicator for the trading view. Justin did not create an upgrade on the indicator for the trading view, but he is selling the indicator for the Ninja Trader, which is got slightly different screen, similar function, slightly different screen. But here you go, we are already in profit. As you can see, we are in profit. We could take this profit if we wanted to. See there, you're already 18 points in profit. So those of you who want to take the profit, we can reduce our stop. You can take that profit, but we're gonna stick in it. We want it to run. We are hoping that it will run at least. I'm thinking that let's see how far it runs. Let's see if we can run. Yeah, there it goes. Look how quickly it went. So we are in profit here, almost 30 points. I would take that. I'd be happy with 30 points at this time of the day without any hard work. no stops being hit, and I mean I would take that, no problem. So if those of you want to hold, you can hold. You can aim for a slightly higher, because I'm happy with the 40 points, 30 points, sorry. That's a 1-to-1 trade for us. It's brilliant. That was an easy win. Easy, easy, easy peasy win. And those of you who want to hold for a higher profit, I mean, it's your choice. You can, because I think that the market can go slightly higher. I'm thinking that the market can go a little bit higher, and before we see any retraction. So I'm just showing you what can be done. The indicator can help you to take entries and exits. Exits really is dependent on you, when you want to exit the market. And as you can see, the dots are still closing higher. The white dots, we do not see a dot closing lower yet. This black candle dot is now possibly closing lower. Yeah, as you can see, the dot is closing lower. Let's see. Yeah, see there, it closed lower. So if you took your profit, you did well. I would have closed that trade at 30 points, no problem. Happy with that. Now let's see if this is a reversal, because as you can see, the dot here, if I move this trade a little bit to the left, you can see the dot closed underneath it. Now I wonder if this is going to just, okay, it's not doing a sideways consolidation. We still see the next dot pushing up. So there is, I believe there is still a little bit more room to go. So let's wait and see. We'll follow this through. There you go. It's gone back to the now it's past our 30. So I'm expecting this to possibly go at least to the fill this black candle. This black candle here, I'm expecting it to fill this. But as you can see, if we had taken a similar, if we had held our trade from where we started, we would have been now how much? 38. We went 38.9 points in this trade. Pretty easy, or 38.9 pips, and I think you times it by 4 to get your ticks, over 120 ticks trade. So this trade that we cut, that was a 120 tick trade. For those of you who want to know, 120 ticks we already cut here, and this would be slightly higher, but there's only 2 minutes left to Nasdaq close, and this is possibly called the 350 algorithm that takes place. So here, if people were short over this fall, they'll probably be cutting their orders, and the market may be doing a little squeeze against them possibly. So that's what it looks like. Now I haven't been coming online lately, but I might start coming online more regularly and show you the trades that are possible using the indicator that is this background, green background, red background, and the little table here on the right to show you how the market can operate or behave. See, now it's come back. See, so we did well to come off at 30. We did real well. So market's about to end. I mean, there's a reversal candle. The white dot closed lower, so that was a reversal candle right here. That's a reversal. So now it's going the other way. So almost 4 o'clock. So I'd thank you if you joined us late. That was one trade we hit, and we did hit a trade earlier. The trade we hit earlier was a profitable trade. It was about 70 points. It was back down here. You can see over here, there was a trade this morning, 73 point trade, straight through, no problem, win. Okay, so I'm not really interested in 1 or 2 points, 1 or 2 ticks. If you want to take a trade, you take a trade, 10, 15 points, 20 points, 50 points. Take nice big trades, but you don't need to take 15 trades. You only need 1 or 2 trades, and that's it. You're done. See how good this trade is? Now you're done. Okay, so we're gonna shut the session. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourselves. Peace out.